Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you a few indirect signs that can help you figure out if someone has muted you on Facebook Messenger. So let's get right into it. Just a heads up, Messenger does not directly tell you if someone muted you, but here are some hints you can look for. First, let's start by understanding muting. Muting a conversation on Messenger prevents you from receiving notifications for new messages from that specific chat. The muted user can still send messages and you can still see them if you open the chat, but you won't be alerted to their arrival. Muting is not the same as blocking or restricting someone. When a conversation is muted, a muted icon, a bell with a line through it, appears next to that chat in your message list. So here are some hints you can look for to predict if someone muted you. First, no response but messages delivered. You send messages and they always show delivered or filled checkmark, but the person never replies. Even after seeing other posts or being active, that's a common sign of being muted. Second sign is they are active but ignoring your messages. Go to their profile and check if they are active now or recently active. If yes and they have not even opened your messages, it might mean your chat is muted and they are not getting notifications. Third sign, they still react or comment on your posts. If the person is still liking or commenting on your Facebook posts but ignoring your messages, it's another indirect clue they have muted your chat only. Also, Messenger has a feature to hide or filter messages from certain senders. This means the message goes into a message request folder and you won't get a notification. So here, there is no setting or feature in Messenger that tells you if someone has muted you. So yes, you can't see a list of people who have muted you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your queries in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.